here we are again. I want to talk about this portable hot pressure cleaning system. You can see prices for this at ionicsystems.com.au. There's an amplitude of pressure cleaning equipment and accessories, as well as soft washing. But I'm blown away at the price point of this sturdy, commercial, semi-professional hot pressure cleaning system. So it's 4,000 PSI, 15 litres a minute. It's got 93 degrees max temp. It's a Honda GX 390, 13 horsepower, electric start, Comet pump, direct drive. So it's going to spin about 3,400 RPM. Has the external unloader valve. So we've done the mod. You can see all our other videos. Make sure you check out those videos at Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. There's multiple playlists there, and we talked about the benefits of bypassing or the physical dump of the unloader valve, where it's external to the pump, so it's easy to access to this. So if the phone rings, we can protect the temperature of that particular pump. So it is, as you can see and appreciate, quite a heavy unit. So it's 240 kilos. It has a 38 litre burner diesel fuel tank. So obviously the burner is supported by diesel. It's the Honda engine that runs on unleaded petrol. It's a 12 volt Beckett burner, so all the good quality components there to generate your hot water. And this is a awesome bit of kit. The wheel lock assembly, which is basically a mechanical handbrake. The 12 volt battery sits underneath the component there. The Comet 4040 pump, if we come around this way, has a fuel tank indication for that diesel fuel tank at 38 litres. Standard Honda 390, so we have the standard engine controls, the electric start, which is I call a comfort pack, the burner controls, which is standard burner, which we'd see on many different hot water systems, fuel filter, Anderson plug underneath for easy maintenance. We've plumbed this system up with a dual lance, which is going to be able to control the pressure at the lance. So we'll fire it up, give you a bit of a demonstration. So where can we use this particular system? Obviously hard and soft surface cleaning. Hot water does clean better. So we all know washing your dishes with cold water and then hot water, the remarkable difference we get using hot water at a maximum temp of 93 degrees is going to improve your efficiency. So whether it's those hard or soft surfaces, whether you're doing a house wash and using it as a high pressure rinse or low pressure rinse to aid in a soft washing process, that is all possible with this particular machine. To run the surface cleaners, it'll support the 12 inch, 300 mil, the 16 inch and the 520 mil. So those particular surface cleaners we can accompany in packages. So the 12, the 16 or the 21 inch. We love Mosmatic, fantastic products. So we'll put some water through this system and we'll give you a bit of a demonstration, but do check out the prices. I'm sure you're going to be absolutely shocked at the build quality of this, and from a price point perspective is a magnificent commercial semi-professional unit. Stay tuned. Just want to run you through the startup and shutdown procedure of this particular system. So we've got the LD1 lance on this, a fantastic dual lance. So the dual lances come in different configurations and different lengths. So a dual lance will allow you to drop the pressure from the gun. So you don't need to go back to the machine, change your RPM. Whenever we set up the particular machines for customs and systems for customs, we always like to break it here. So the only reason that you may need to shut down the machine is to flick over to a pressure cleaning pole, which has its own gun incorporated, or if you're running a BE surface cleaner where the gun is incorporated on the surface cleaner handle itself. But if you're running the Mosmatic, XJet, Lances, shooter tips, J-rods, the machine shouldn't have to be shut off. So it's all quick change here. We'll go for a start. When you can, pull the trigger to unload the unloader valve. So that's going to unload the pump. You're going to see the water dump from the bypass system that we've set up, so to preserve the pump for that long-term longevity. This is going into a commercial application. We're also putting a 30-metre hose reel on the front of this, so the front plate is quite heavy enough to sit that hose reel, so we'll adapt that hose reel there, and the operator will be able to pull out their 30-metre hose quite easily. So key start, absolutely awesome. Give it a few RPM. And watch, when I take the hand off the trigger, you'll see the water get dumped. So just dumping that water, and we tend to do this with all the machines we send out. It's just going to preserve that pump. That little pump spins at 3,400, 3,600 RPM. So they're designed to do that, but they work hard. So if we can keep that cool, it's going to add extra life to that pump. So if the phone rings, we get carried away in a telephone call, it doesn't matter. The pump will look after itself. When it's connected in that external bypass, the water recirculates and it's going to get quite hot. So 12-volt system, quite easy to turn the hot water on, which we looked at before. We'll dial it up, we'll turn it on. You can hear the burner fire up. So the dual lance in itself, I'm able to control the pressure. So from that perspective there, it's all dumping through the soaper nozzle. We can then increase it and put it through the tip. So hot water cleans better. So you can limit your detergents, your soaps, your surfactants, your degreasers by just the addition of hot water, and we know that when we wash up our dishes. So the basic startup procedure, if you're going to run hot water, run it at max. That maximum RPM is going to also suffice to keeping the 12-volt supply to the Beckett burner and fuel pump. When we do go to shut down, we'll turn the hot water off, and I like to get customers to run a bit of cold water through that coil to cool that coil down. So that's the commercial semi-professional 4,000 15-litre a minute machine at 93 degrees max temp. The GX 390, fantastic with the comfort pack, key start. So many different genres, exterior house cleaning, whether you hook up an xjet, hot soft water rinses for your soft washing, vehicle fleet washing, hard surface cleaning, whether it's driveways, decks. A fantastic unit, and I'm still blown away by the price. And I said check that out at ionixsystems.com.au. Subscribe to the video if you like it, and hit the genres. So there's so many different playlists with window cleaning, pressure cleaning, soft washing and gutter cleaning. So you can see all those on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.